Just want to take a second today to talk about one more new product for 2021 in the YCS line of ground vapor barriers. This is going to be the YCS 100% reinforced 20 mil vapor barrier. Like most of our products, this product was developed almost purely based off of contractor feedback. Some of our contractors really just had a need for a 20 mil product. So this is sort of a specialty product. You can see it's very rigid, it's very, very strong, bright white on both sides. It's going to come in one size, 12 by 75. The reason we make the rolls 900 square feet is to cut down on the weight for the contractors. Like all YCS products, very, very puncture resistant, and also very, very tear resistant if it's ever punctured. You almost can't tear the product at all. Great product if you have a special need to have a 20 mil vapor barrier in a crawl space, if you're trying to cover some really rough, jagged rocks or bricks. If you have any more questions about the 20 mil vapor barrier, visit our website today or give us a call.